learning about Telegram, how to install Telegram. This video is going to be in both English and Luganda. Video egenda kubeera mu Luzungu ne mu Luganda. Ndowooza katandike n'Oluzungu. Njagala kugifuula nnyimpi nga simpanvu nnyo. So, Telegram, first of all, if you're installing Telegram is just like any other app, just like WhatsApp. So, what you do is you come to your Play Store. You can see my Play Store here. And you search for Telegram. Ojja ku Play Store yo, ogenda ku Play Store yo no searchinga Telegram, then you kati let us install it. You install Telegram. To installinga mu Telegram mu simu zaffe. We think we are all together on this one. Yeah, it's free. Ya bwerere tosasula kasente ya bwerere. Terina bukwakkulizo bungi nnyo kiri awo. So katulabe, let us see what happens after you install it. Otherwise, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more, and leave a comment below if you have any question about how you can install and get started on Telegram. It has already installed, so let's open it. Press on open. Onyiga ku open, openinga, start messaging. Konyiga, you start messaging. Onyiga wano wansi ku kabbulu. As you can see, your country, you choose your country, olondako ensi yo nga bwe mulaba. Londa ensi yo, teekamu ennamba ye y'essimu. Kati teekemu eya Mr. Opinion. Let us put the number of Mr. Opinion right here. See what happens. Say allow Telegram to access phone call logs. Okkiriza Telegram okukubira kasimu to verify your number. You allow that. Nokkiriza. Let's see, bagenda kusindikira wano kodi bagisindise, ndowooza mugiraba. This is the code they have sent to verify your number. It is 43. Eno yo code gye basindise okuverifyinga enamba yo 8. So omala ogiteekamu. Telegram needs access to your contacts so that you can connect with your friends across your device. Your contacts will be continuously synthesized. Let's see kikulu, just press continue or not now. Ekyo kiri ku ggwe, so nyiga continue or not now, it's up to you, but I want mine to allow so that it can access everything. From there, you just start automatically. You're already on Telegram, so it has access to your call logs. Then you can go there. And simply, as you're on Telegram, just simply search. You're already on Telegram. Let me see. You can search. If you're already there, just go here. Genda wano ku search. Olaba nti Telegram ojja wano no searchinga nti oyagala ki, nti Opinion TV. Ndowooza okiraba nti oteekamu Opinion bakuleetera. I think you can see that when you put in Opinion, they bring you all the Opinion channels. Okay, so nolondawo nti Opinion TV translated. Okay, Opinion TV translated. I think you can see this is what's on Opinion TV translated. The movies, the what. Then in this very video, let me try to introduce to you our other channels which include opinion. We have opinion music. Let me just show you from here. These are all our channels. We have Opinion TV Translated, which is linked to Opinion TV Translated group. This is how it looks like. This is how the channel looks like. These are all movies for you to watch. You can't finish them. We have over 2,000 movies right now that are showing on Opinion TV Translated. Then we have Opinion TV animations for Jiraba. Those you can see that these are the animations that are there available for you to watch. It looks like that. That's how it looks like. So try to go there and see. Then we also have Opinion TV English. This is how the page looks like. This is how the page looks like. Actually, this is how the page looks like. All these are movies for you to watch, some of which haven't even been translated yet, because these are, most of them are new series, new movies like that. So the page actually looks like that. That's how the page looks like for you. You can go there and also check it out. If you prefer movies in English and new movies, just go to Opinion TV English. Then we have Opinion TV. We have Opinion Music, I think. Yeah, we have Opinion Music. This is how our channel looks like. Opinion Music, this is how our channel looks like. All these channels have groups. Opinion Music is linked to Opinion Music group. Opinion TV Translated is linked to Opinion TV Translated group. So like I said, if you're in the group, try to also be in the channel, because you never know what may happen. Then this is Mr. Opinion. This is actually supposed to be my page or my channel where I do my thing, but I can't do my I decided to make it actually a place for romantic movies, romantic comedy movies for 18 and above, because people were asking me to do that. Abantu bali bansaba channel ya 18 kudda waggulu, neŋŋamba eno channel ya Mr. Opinion gye nali nkoze nga channel yange yakwekwelerako byange, neŋŋamba nti kangifuule nga channel ya romantic movies, n'olusi ebyange nga mbeere nga mbiteeka okwo. Eri linked ku group gye bayita Opinion TV 1 group, gye ndowooza nti buli muntu yandibadde agibeeramu. Otherwise, that is how you open up a Telegram channel. That is how you search for the Opinion TV channels. I love you guys. Peace.